The Cheyenne Women's Imaging Pavilion sees hundreds of women. Each has her own story.
Very passionate about equality of life for everyone.
My kids are my world. Like, that's what I live for.
If I can be outside, I want to be outside.
Many stories start with a woman who wants to take charge of her health and her life. Cheyenne Women's Imaging Pavilion helps each woman change her story in some way, inspiring peace of mind, perhaps even rewriting the ending.
To be diagnosed with breast cancer was really quite surprising because it hasn't run in the family at all.
My grandma died from breast cancer, and my mom and both my aunts have had lumps removed. Before my genetic test, I was terrified.
I was the first in my family to be diagnosed with any kind of cancer.
A lot of women fear mammogram because they fear finding out that they have cancer. Early detection saved my life, and because it was caught so early, it didn't change my life.
The Women's Imaging Pavilion at Cheyenne Radiology allows women to know sooner and be certain. Advanced technology and expert staff come together here to help every woman live her remarkable story.
When I went to Cheyenne Radiology, I was met with the greatest of compassion, consideration, and they have become friends. I'm no longer afraid.
When I was 40, I think I had my first mammogram, and I went to Cheyenne Radiology. When they caught my cancer, it was a small cancer and should not have been caught. So in terms of their excellence, and they're the only place I would go for a mammogram.
Breast cancer is a very intimate and personal thing, but this is not a lone journey that we take.
It devastates the entire family, but it also brings you all together, and that's where your support comes from.
I'm a single mom of 3 kiddos, and being there for them is very important. I need to be proactive, so I chose Cheyenne Radiology.
I did it for myself, and I did it for those I love.